Alright everyone, we're back with another video and this is going to be a perfume review. I had mentioned this perfume in my little shopping mini haul, so I said I was going to make a video unboxing it and actually smelling it for the first time. So here we go, we're going to get right into it. Alright, we have the Gucci balloon. And it wouldn't be right if I didn't wear the scarf with the flowers for the Gucci balloon, huh? Aesthetics. If you want to know where I got this scarf from, it's called the Bed of Flowers, and I got it from Fashion Nova. Yeah. So let's go ahead and unbox this perfume because I'm so anxious to finally wear it and use it by now. Because I've had it for like a month and a half or so. So this is how it looks. Um, so I'm gonna slap the top off. And I'm going to make sure I keep this box because that makes a good decorative piece. So I have the duo set and I got this from Sephora. So it comes with the traveling size and the regular size. And this is not too bad for the regular size to put in your purse because that was my problem. I was carrying too much like a full size perfume. So I was like, oh, it's not that expensive to get the rollerball. So why not get the set? I'm excited to smell this. So here we go. Rough in. This is so cute. I love this shade of pink and I love the simplicity of this bottle. It's not doing too much. So let me open this. And it has a black top. Come on now. Gucci. Now where's the opening? Because that part I did not see. I don't want to end up spraying it in my eye, you know. Hmm. Okay. Florals. Okay. It smells florally, but not like young florals. It's like a little mature florals, but not like elderly. Mm. Oh. And the smell gets better with time. Is that like sitting on my skin? It's like becoming this good floral scent, like like as it's settling down. Okay, I can picture this lasting for a long time on my skin throughout the day. I want to give y'all some notes of the perfume. So let me go get my cell real quick. Hold on. Oh Lord, I wish I found my phone before I got on camera. It was on the charger, y'all. Right in my face. So we're gonna Google the notes. Ooh, this smells. Ooh, that smells so good. This is like an everyday smell. Gucci, Bloom. Okay, y'all got the Gucci, but not the Bloom part. Hold on. What's the notes of the Gucci Bloom? Oh, okay. I want to give my people the notes. I want to give the people my notes. Now, if I wanted her to talk, she wouldn't even be talking. So, the notes for the Gucci balloon is um, hmm, white florals. I can smell that. That's the white florals. Jasmine, Ragoon, creeper, the type of Chinese honeysuckle it says, and what else? I believe I said jasmine. So we have white florals, jasmine, and Ragoon creeper. So I'm loving this. This might be my favorite, y'all. I might wear this tomorrow for work. So that's the Gucci balloon. I like this, gotta have like a thumbnail. That's what y'all YouTubers do. The thumbnail. I can't say y'all YouTubers because I'm finally doing what I said I was gonna do. And it's making me a channel and doing it finally. Okay. I wanna show y'all the rollerball. Story of my life. I lose everything that's right in my view. Here's the rollerball. And that is so cute. Also, if it's not picking up on the camera, it's like this pink, soft pink color, and it just says Gucci right there. So matter of fact, I'm just gonna rub the rollerball on my skin. They should smell the same, right? Mm, yes, it do. So yes, my queens, we're done with this review. I do recommend it because it does smell good. If you want a more of a mature, oh, I can't even get my words right. Mature floral, go with the Gucci Bloom. It still gives you that young but sophisticated smell of floral. And you can't go wrong with that. So thanks for tuning in and giving me your time and everything. So I'll see you later in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your thoughts if you have the Gucci balloons. And I'll see you next time. Stay healthy, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye.